I am so happy to share with you the bounty from my own backyard. I have four variety of greens here. I have the mustard greens here, the turnip greens, kale, and Swiss chard. And they all came from my own backyard garden. And it is so wonderful to know what you're eating and to know that you're eating clean, healthy food. This is all organic with no chemicals. The foods that you get in the store has been chemical laden and you just never know what you're eating. The food is so toxic. So I encourage you all to get out, play in the dirt, and start your own backyard garden. It is so easy and so simple to do. There is nothing difficult about it. And you have the pleasure of eating your own fresh, clean food. Um, so, yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. I am so excited. And I just want to encourage you to, get in your own backyard, grow your own backyard garden, and feel the pleasure of what it is like to just go out and pick your own greens. You can do herbs, pepper, tomatoes. It doesn't take a lot of space, but it is so rewarding. So, thank you for watching.